Welcome to Practice Easy English. Useful verbs in English for daily life conversation. Care about. Be concerned. I'm concerned about your health. Thanks for caring about me. Care for. Take care of, look after. Who will care for your dog when you're away? My neighbor will take care of him. Care for. Love, be fond of. He cares for his grandmother very much. That's wonderful. It shows how much he loves her. Pardon. Forgive, excuse. I hope you can forgive my mistake. I pardon you. Don't worry about it. Overlook. Fail to notice. Did you fail to notice the typo in the report? I'm sorry, I completely overlooked it. Agree. Concur, consent. Do you agree with the new policy changes? I concur with most of them, but not all. Let's meet at 3 p.m. Do you consent to that? Yes, I'm fine with that time. Apologize. Say sorry, express regret. I need to apologize for being late. No worries, it happens to everyone. You should say sorry for what you said. I will apologize to them right away. Believe. Trust, have faith in. I believe in your abilities to succeed. Thank you, it means a lot to me. Do you trust what he said? I have faith in his words. Remember. Recall, memorize. Can you recall what we discussed last week? I'll try to remember. I need to memorize these facts for the exam. Repetition will help you remember them. Remind. Bring to mind, jog one's memory. Can you remind me to call my mom later? Sure, I'll remind you. Please jog my memory about our meeting tomorrow. Of course, it's at 2 p.m. Forget. Not remember. I forgot to close the door. You often don't remember to close it. Reject. Decline, refuse. He rejected the offer to join the team. Why did he refuse? It's a great opportunity. I had to reject their invitation because I'm busy that day. No problem, they'll understand. Act. Perform, behave. She acted in a play last night. I heard she performed really well. You should act professionally during the meeting. I'll do my best to behave appropriately. Admire. Respect, appreciate. I truly admire your dedication to your work. Thank you. I appreciate your kind words. Arrive. Come, get, reach. I'll wait for you to arrive before we start. I'm on my way. I will get there in 10 minutes. What time did you reach the party last night? I came around 7 p.m. Ask. Inquire, request. Can I inquire about your availability for tomorrow's meeting? Sure, you can ask me anything. I need to request your assistance with this project. Feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Assist. Help. Can you help me move this heavy table? Of course, I'll help you. She always assists her friends when they're in need. That's very kind of her. Attend. Be present, participate. Will you be present at the conference next week? Yes, I plan to attend. It's important to participate in class discussions. I agree, it helps you learn better. Behave. Conduct, act. She always behaves well in public. Yes, she's very good at conducting herself. Discover. Find. They discovered a hidden treasure in the old cave. That's amazing. How did they find it? Cancel. Call off. I had to cancel our dinner plans for tonight. That's okay. We can reschedule. Disappear. Vanish. My keys have disappeared. I can't find them anywhere. They seem to have completely vanished. Abandon. Give up. Stop. They abandoned the project due to lack of funding. What a shame, it had potential. Defend. Protect. Support. I'll support you and protect your interests. Thanks for defending me. She's always ready to defend her friends in an argument. That's a good trait to have. Deny. Refuse, reject. She won't admit it. She keeps denying her mistake. It's important to acknowledge it eventually.